All right, we're working on Ashleigh today. Kind of our maintenance thing. Just to keep everything moving. Like our motto is, getting your life back in motion. We've got to keep her in motion. And she's expecting, so we want to make sure neurologically everything is working for her and the baby. So, all right, so we're going to go through push back with his arm. Ashleigh tends to have some stuff that goes on with the neck and the shoulders quite often. So I'm seeing a deficit right there. And gets better when I push on the joints right here around the ribs. Push. So that's not getting better right there. Let me go to the collarbone. Push. There we go. So once I push on the collarbone up, it gets improved. Push here. So we're going to start here with her shoulders. Yeah, just come around the other way. Okay, hold on. Right here. We're going to get this one first. There we go. Nice. Go to the other side. Any headaches or neck pain or anything like that? Just stiffness?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. Shut this. All right. Push back with his arm. Push back with his arm. Much better. Okay, let me see what we got here. Yeah, let's get this side. All right, relax it. Wiggle your toes. There we go. This side, right, a little higher. One more time. Relax it. There it is. Good. A little stiffer on the right side. Push back. All right, so now I'm going to compress here, tap, push back. So once I get a weakness there, usually means there's some compression of the neck. So we're going to do a little pull back. Right. There we go. Nice. A retest. Tap, push back. Still a little bit there actually. Let me see this one. Double check, push. So if I tap this, I'm going to pull here just to double check. Tap it, push back. Still getting weaker. So there also can be cranial bones that can be compressed here. So we have a suture that goes across here. What I'm going to do is actually spread this like so. Is that tender?
No.
No? Okay. Good. All right, let me see here. Push back. That's better. I'm gonna tap it here like this. Push. Good. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna come work on the middle of the back. Right here. It's already moving without me. Yep. Sit up just a little bit. Sit up for me.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. And right now with her being pregnant, we're not doing laying face down. So we're all doing it on her back. This part, I'm going to come and work on the foot and the low back. Good. Good. Okay. That's pretty even. Push up with this leg. Still got a weakness there. Push up with this one. So that can be coming from core muscles, which are trying to move out of the way, or hip flexor right there. So I'm going to work the connection of the muscle right there. Push up with this leg. That's a lot better. All right. I'm sorry if this is tender or ticklish. For a lot of people, this is super ticklish, right in this spot. I have people squirming because of it. Doing okay?
Yep.
Right now, legs look pretty even, which is good. We'll still check pelvic balancing, make sure it's in the right position. All right, push up. A lot better there. Push out to your left. Push up with this one. Still a little off there. Push out to the right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here to check this, I'm gonna push up with this pelvis. Now push up with this leg. And that gets a lot better. So what we're gonna do here, lay on your side, face me this way. You just stay where you are, Darla. So I need to shift this pelvis over a little bit. There we go. Okay. Laying your back. All right. Push up with that leg. Still kind of off. I'm going to lift up here. Push up. That's not fixing it anymore. So we fixed it, but that's not the main problem. Let's go to here. Push up. Right there. Push. Okay. So with pregnancy, you get tightness oftentimes in this round ligament, which connects to your obliques. And so we're going to sit here and hold right here, bend this knee, push, not bend it, keep it straight, and push up. Yeah, it makes a huge difference. So with this, there's a technique called Webster technique, actually, that a lot of people will see chiropractors for, which is specific for pregnancies. It has a lot to do with the round ligament and the sacrum and balancing those out. And that you can do, especially if they're breech. So baby's breech, a lot of times it's too tight on one side, and if you get it here in the round ligament and loosen it up and work on the sacrum, then it takes the tension away and the baby will flip. So I've actually had a couple patients that have come in because of breech, and luckily they've been able to flip. It's not 100%, but it's a really high percentage. So right here, I'm just holding and feeling for the tension to dissipate a little bit. You may not feel anything. I don't know if you can feel.
I don't feel anything, but that area has been tender.
Tender.
I didn't know if it was from some of the, just from working out or what it was. But like if I'm sitting still for a while and I get up, I'll feel it.
Okay. You also got your psoas muscle works underneath that hip, which is there. Push up. That's a lot better. So let's also work at hip rotation. So I'm going to rotate your hip this way and push up. And that gets weaker. If I rotate your hip out like this and push up, that's a lot better. So move your hand here. We're going to use to assist us. We're going to work on external rotation like that. Good. And push up. Retest it by going internal rotation and push, and it's a lot better. Okay, good. And we're also going to rotate your hip out this way and do a nice pull. Yes, that opened up nicely. You felt that one? Mm-hmm. Okay, face me on this side and bounce out this pelvis right here. Right. Relax a little more. Turn your head to the left. There it goes. Perfect. Okay, sit up for me. Now with Ashleigh, she's done the chiropractors a lot, so she can always tell there's something still a little bit off. How's that feeling?
My neck just feels weird on the left side.
The left side still feels stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, lay on your back for me. Now with Ashleigh, I always know that I have to wait for her to evaluate to make sure we got everything. Yeah, right there. Okay, relax that shoulder. Now this one, I want you to turn your head to the right a little bit. There we go.
There it was.
That was great. Okay, sit up again for me.
Yeah.
Is that better through there? Awesome. Okay.
All good.
Thank you.